Hello and welcome to the Hohem affiliate program. My name is Willy Fox and today I'm going to teach you how to make some money through the affiliate program in Hohem.com. It is so easy, you just have to recommend the products, sell them and then get your commission. First thing we're going to do is open our internet tab and go to store.hohem.com. Then we have the website, we click on here and go to Discover. And inside Discover, we click on Affiliate. The address we're gonna see is hohemtech.goafpro.com. Here we can see it's free and easy to join. You will advertise the products and then you can earn up to 5% in commissions when somebody buys a product through your link. Next step is just click on Join Now. And we're going to fill all the gaps. Email is going to be example@gmail.com, for example. We're going to choose our password, name and surname. Our YouTube channel, for example, my channel is Willy Fox. My Facebook is the same. Instagram. That would be our website, and Twitter if we have, and country we just Brazil, for example, and create an account. Once we have created an account, we are gonna receive an email just like this. Your account has been approved. Dear Arnau, your account has been approved. So we just have to click on Get Started to start making some money. We're gonna find some tabs: Home, Marketing Tools, Payments and Settings. At Home, we're gonna see our name, our email and the referral link. My link, for example, is hohem.com, as you can see, reference Willy Fox. And we're gonna have the coupon codes right here. As a summary, we're gonna be able to see our referrals, the number of orders we've taken, the conversions in percentage, the sales we have made for the company, and this is going to be the earnings, the money we are making with Hohem. If we go to Marketing Tools, we have all the products from the company, and if we are interested, for example, in recommending or selling the iSteady-X, we're gonna just click copy here, paste it here, we select the one we want, Hohem iSteady-X, we click on it and it automatically generates a link, hohem.com products iSteady-X with your name on it. Then we just click on copy, we go to our website and we paste the link wherever we want. Once we do that, our customers are gonna go through the link and buy any of the products with our link on it. If you go to payments, we're gonna have the amount that has been paid to us, the amount pending to pay, and the last payment. I decided to be paid through PayPal, but of course we can change that just clicking on it. And last, at the settings, we have here our name and we can complete with our phone and our information. And here we can customize our link to have it with our name. Since I put my name, Willy Fox, here, all my links are gonna have hohem.com, the product, and then my name, so I know it is my link. On payment settings, we can choose PayPal, for example, or we can change through this link. Here it says the payment term. Minimum affiliate earnings to be paid is gonna be $50, and minimum payout is also gonna be $50. If we're gonna change our password, we can do it right here. And that is all we need to start making money with Hohem. Thank you so much and welcome to Hohem Affiliates.